Ever wondered what makes self-made millionaires successful? Well, it's not just luck. It's a combination of powerful strategies that they've mastered over time. Today we're going to explore 8 of these empowering strategies. Each strategy is a crucial stepping stone on the path to financial independence and success. So without further delay, let's dive into these strategies. Number 1. Think big. Millionaires don't limit their dreams. Picture Steve Jobs, the man behind Apple. His vision wasn't just to create a successful company, he envisioned a future where technology will make life easier and fun at the same time, as proven by the magnificent iPhone, which combined the power of multiple tools like camera, phone, video, into one small device. That's thinking big. You see, thinking big is about stretching your imagination, pushing boundaries, and aiming for the stars. It's not just about setting high goals, but also about dreaming up ways to revolutionize industries, challenge the status quo, and make a significant impact. Consider Jeff Bezos, who turned an online bookstore into a global retail giant and now aims to colonize space. Or Oprah Winfrey, who transcended her talk show to become a media mogul and philanthropist. They didn't just think big, they thought enormous, colossal, gigantic. So remember, don't limit your dreams, the bigger the better. Number 2. Embrace risks. Millionaires understand that high reward often comes with high risk. They know that to make an omelet, you've got to break a few eggs. Now, this doesn't mean taking reckless leaps into the unknown. Instead, it's about understanding your environment, assessing potential outcomes, and then making an informed decision. Take Richard Branson, for instance. He didn't just wake up one day and decide to start an airline. He saw an opportunity, assessed the risks, and then took a calculated leap of faith. And the result? Virgin Atlantic, an airline that's now recognized worldwide. Or consider J.K. Rowling, who endured many rejections and was living in poverty before succeeding as the author of Harry Potter book series, and eventually becoming a billionaire. It was a gamble, but one that has paid off in spades. Today, those companies are at the forefront of their industries. So, don't be afraid of risks. They often lead to the greatest rewards. Number 3. Value persistence. Millionaires know that success doesn't come overnight. Here's a truth that might surprise you. Self-made millionaires aren't strangers to failure. In fact, they're intimately acquainted with it. Each failure, each setback, each hurdle is a stepping stone on their path to success. They understand the importance of persistence, the relentless pursuit of their goals, no matter how lofty or unattainable they might seem at first. Take the story of Colonel Harlan Sanders. At the age of 65, he was broke, but he didn't let that stop him. He had a secret fried chicken recipe and a dream. He was rejected over 1,000 times before he found a restaurant willing to sell his chicken. Today, Kentucky Fried Chicken is a global brand, a testament to Sanders' persistence. Number 4, develop a growth mindset. To be successful in business, you need to foster a growth mindset. This means viewing challenges as opportunities for growth, understanding that your abilities can be developed with effort, and recognizing that failure isn't a permanent state, but a temporary detour on the road to success. Consider the example of Sarah Blakely, the billionaire founder of Spanx. She embraced the growth mindset, seeing every failure and setback as a chance to learn and grow. Her persistence and growth mindset turned a simple idea into a billion-dollar business. Number 5, build relationships and network. Millionaires understand the value of having a strong network. It's an essential element in the grand scheme of business. Networking isn't just about collecting business cards, it's about building valuable relationships. Take billionaire Richard Branson, for instance. His knack for networking is legendary, leading him to build a diverse empire, Virgin Group. Similarly, Facebook's Mark Zuckerberg wasn't alone in his journey to the top. He networked, built relationships, and collaborated with others to create one of the biggest social media platforms in the world. It's not about using people. It's about mutual growth, shared knowledge, and collective success. Networking can open doors to opportunities you never even knew existed. It can fast-track your growth, amplify your reach, and multiply your impact. The right connections can catapult your business from being a local player to a global game changer. So remember, your network is your net worth. Number 6, create multiple streams of income. Millionaires don't rely on a single source of income, and they always put their customers first. Let's break this down. Firstly, creating multiple streams of income is a fundamental strategy of the wealthy. Let's take Warren Buffett, for instance. He didn't accumulate his wealth through a single venture. Rather, he has investments in various sectors such as insurance, energy, food, and clothing. In essence, diversifying income streams is like casting a safety net. If one venture fails, others can keep you afloat. Number 7, be customer-centric. Being customer-centric means prioritizing the needs and experiences of your customers. It's about delivering value and exceeding expectations. Take Amazon's CEO Jeff Bezos as an example. He famously said, "We see our customers as invited guests to a party, and we are the hosts." This mindset has helped Amazon to become a global leader in e-commerce. Now you may be wondering, how can I apply these strategies? Well, start by identifying potential income streams related to your business or skills. Can you offer consulting services? Write a book? Develop a course? There are endless possibilities. Simultaneously ask yourself, how can I offer more value to my customers? How can I improve their experience? Remember, satisfied customers often become repeat customers, and they can also become your best advertisers through word of mouth. So remember, diversify your income and always put the customer first. Number 8, take action and execute. Millionaires don't just dream, they do. They understand that success is a product of action, not just ambition. Consider the story of Bill Gates, who transformed his vision of computers into reality through relentless action and execution by democratizing the access to personal computer with the powerful Windows software. Or Mark Cuban, who capitalized on the internet boom by selling his company to Yahoo and becoming a billionaire in the process. These examples underline the truth: dreams become reality through action. So remember, action is the key to success. So, there you have it, the 8 powerful business strategies of self-made millionaires. Thinking big, embracing risks, valuing persistence, developing a growth mindset, building relationships and networking, creating multiple streams of income, being customer-centric, and taking action to execute. Each of these strategies plays a pivotal role in the journey to success. They are the stepping stones that transform ordinary individuals into extraordinary achievers. Remember, success isn't an accident. It's a result of applying these strategies consistently over time. Thank you for watching this video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more wealth and financial tips.